the 2012 Cooking Club's Iron Chef competition.
Each challenger has an hour to present their dish.
But wait! There is a secret rule that everyone has to follow.
Ingredients.
Every contestant's dish needs to have one secret ingredient. The secret ingredient of today is broccoli!
Here are your panel of judges, Miss Boone, Mr. Perna, and some.
In the wise words of my uncle, I am cuisine!
We're making spaghetti.
I'm looking forward to the secret ingredient. As all my students know, I love broccoli. Chefs, though, I would give them some advice about not overcooking the broccoli. It can get very mushy and very watery, so pay attention to that. It should be fun.
What are you guys going to be cooking today with the broccoli?
I don't even know.
So what are you guys going to be cooking today with the broccoli?
We're also making a side macaroni and cheese with broccoli incorporated. And vegetables will come along.
What kind of technique do you use to cut your chicken?
Cubing it.
See. So what are you making with your broccoli? So what are you making with your broccoli? Oh my goodness! Which dish are you looking most forward to?
I'm looking most forward to the two burgers. I think those burgers are really delicious.
Thank you very much. Mr. Perna,
Yes.
which dish are you looking most forward
I'm looking forward to the potato pancake. I'm wondering how the broccoli is going to stand up to the rather strong flavors of a fried potato pancake. And I hope it does. We'll see.
to? Very interesting. And Ms. Boone, which dish are you looking most forward to?
I think maybe the chicken Alfredo. Just to see, the group wasn't sure how to make chicken Alfredo sauce, so it'll be interesting to see how they actually pull that one off. I'm very interested in that one.
After 45 minutes, have you guys finally decided what you were going to make?
Well, I don't know, man. We have some pasta, we got some sauce, we got some chicken, we got some broccoli. We're just gonna put it all together.
Sounds like a good pasta to me. Editors, you have 20 minutes remaining. Matthew, with only 20 minutes left,
Do you feel pumped up
you
yet?
feel confident in winning this competition?
Does anyone know how to use a can opener?
Be careful of salad.
Mushroom? Hold up, I need a...
So how do you feel that you're doing with time? 17 minutes left.
We are barely gonna finish. Our spaghetti is barely cooked. Our chicken is barely cooked. We haven't cooked our mushrooms. The only thing that's cooked was already canned cooked. So.
Well, I wish the best of luck to you.
Thank you. Sure, I got it.
Is it going to be like a stable baked thing?
Oh, what?
the bowl?
I cooked it on the stove. It just needs to harden.
Okay, I think we made our mess really messy. Are we good, Ada? Dump it in.
So how do you think you're doing with time?
Competitors, you have 10 minutes remaining.
Should we put it in there?
Not bad. Bianca, I want to see it. Take it out. I want to see it.
Testers, please start playing. There are only 5 minutes left. Raymond, do you consider yourself successful today?
We were confused at first, but we pulled through.
Cliff, what made you change your mind from potato pancakes to an omelet?
We saw the eggs and felt that that was a good ingredient to eat.
I'm sorry, but you need
Very well.
It's early.
Don't flip it, Cliff. It looks like a
Oh, really?
Chefs, you have 1 minute left. Please wrap up. Our first competitor is Raymond from the Dream Team.
Yep.
And he has made pasta. Tell us your inspiration.
Actually, we made chicken Alfredo with broccoli, mushrooms, and onions. And just a little bit of cheese to top it all off.
I'm sorry to be mistaken.
It's okay.
Judges?
What's your inspiration for creating this? My inspiration? This just reminds me of my mother. Back when I was a little boy, growing up in Brooklyn, my mom would always used to make this. And it just brings back so many memories. I hope you guys enjoy it.
Thank you for making this wonderful dish. Don't
Just say yum even though it doesn't taste good.
Chocolate's really good.
It's actually really good. It's like, excuse me. Yo, you ate some of
Ms. Spoon, what are your thoughts about this dish?
Overall, I think it's pretty good. It needs a little more seasoning, like some salt, some black pepper, and stuff like that. But the broccoli is cooked well. It's not overcooked. The chicken is done pretty well. Just a little bit more seasoning would have brought it out a little bit more. But overall, pretty good.
Mr. Pina?
Yeah, I agree. A little something with seasoning to make it pop a little bit more. But the broccoli is perfectly cooked. It's not overdone at all. The pasta, a little overcooked, but tolerable. And overall, a pretty welcoming flavor.
And Sung?
I agree with all of them. It was a little under-seasoned, but the mushrooms I thought were perfect, and the pasta was a little mushy, but overall it was really good.
Yeah, I didn't get any mushroom.
Thank you, Raymond of the Dream Team, for creating this wonderful dish.
Can't believe we're vanilla.
Next competitor is the omelet team. And today they have made omelet, mushroom, broccoli, omelet. Did I say omelet? Okay. And potato pancake on the bottom. So what inspired you to make this dish today?
I used to make a lot of pizza, so I wanted to put this all together in kind of like a shape.
So it's a pizza dish. Very interesting use of potato pancakes.
Okay, we keep taste it.
And the thing on the side is a salad with broccoli stems.
What's the salad made of?
It's just broccoli.
Stems?
I like it.
Actually, broccoli stems have more glucose than the broccoli head, which most people think are better for you. But actually,
Are you being biased right now?
Dum dum dum. Judge Sung, what do you think of this dish?
I thought it was really creative because the potato pancake on the bottom makes it really moist. And then on the top, like overall it's really balanced and everything's well cooked. But I thought like the broccoli stem salad, it was a nice touch, but it was a little under seasoned. But I think overall it was really good.
I enjoyed this dish. It had many layers of flavors and textures. The broccoli was perfectly done. I like the way the broccoli stem salad had a little bit more acidity than the omelet, kind of balanced each other out. So I found it very enjoyable.
Same. A lot of good textures, a lot of good flavors. Very creative with the broccoli stem salad. I never even heard of that before. But overall, it's a good dish. I like it. Very healthy. I like that part best.
Thank you, judges, and thank you, Team Omelet, for creating this wonderful dish.
The way I choose the broccoli in the most creative way possible is to actually give it to you as a burger, and then give you a real, actual burger to like kind of play off the whole vegan and I guess meat thing. So you on the bottom you have just a regular hamburger, very simple, made with onions, very simple, seasoned with salt, pepper, and onions. On top we have a broccoli burger.
We have a baked macaroni pie, which is made out of, it's not an actual pie, it's just baked macaroni with some cheese on the top to form a crust, and it's seasoned with some adobo and chili powder and mustard.
And just to give you guys a sensation of ketchup, we have Brad use some more tomato sauce on the plate.
Room limited.
Judges, after eating, what are your thoughts? Miss Boone?
Okay, so with the macaroni and cheese, really salty. But the taste is okay, it's just a little bit too much salt for me. The burger with the broccoli burger on top was very interesting. Very, a lot of textures, but it's well seasoned and it tastes pretty good.
So would you say the macaroni is completely unnecessary, or?
It's like it's not, instead of one dish, it's just like a whole bunch of dishes. But, it goes well together.
Thank you. Mr. Pia?
I enjoyed the mac and cheese, well seasoned. I also enjoyed the broccoli burger. Enjoyed it a little bit more than the beef burger. The beef burger was a little under temp for me. It was a little rare and a little not as hot as I would like.
The second one came out rarer, so you probably got the second one. Tweaks on it.
And a little saltiness sometimes on the broccoli burger. I enjoy that broccoli burger. I thought it was well put together. And the mac and cheese is delicious.
And Sung, what are your thoughts?
Yeah, I thought the mac and cheese was really salty, but the taste was good. But I thought also like the broccoli on the side, even though it is the broccoli theme, I thought it was a bit unnecessary. And then the burger, I only got half. Like I got very little portions, like only 10. So I couldn't really taste it, but overall, the meat was a little rare, but it was really good. Both of them were really good. The broccoli burger was the best.
All right, thank you for your opinion, judges.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I had 7.
Today's winner of Iron Chef is Team Omelet.
Thank you, Chef.
Good job.
Good job.
I'm a cuisine!
This was all my idea.